didn't work because the people that were staying here, they had been over here. They had been over here. Yeah. I think that's to the basement right there. Yeah. Yeah, this to this kitchen right
Oh, it's a fake door or something? Oh yeah, it's just a fake door.
See, this is where the dog was jumping through it.
Dang.
I mean, the dog was coming through here, man. I'm talking about this mug is horrible. I gave him this. I might well take this back. They had one of their dogs chained to that.
Dang.
Yeah.
Well,
I tell you, man, this was, hey, this quality. Let me throw this on the floor.
Hey, little talkies. Oh, that's to the basement.
Yeah, this probably, I bet you money, this about the cleanest one that was hers.
This is the best one?
Yeah. Yeah. I'm thinking this about the best one here.
Whoa, they all individual basements?
All individual basements, I think.
This one looked like it was supposed to be finished. They got
Yeah. Now, I'm telling you, this building horrible, man. So, this one here, I never came in this one. I knew nothing about this one too much. Like I say, it was a black dude and a white kid that had this. And this one here, it was a white lady that stayed here with some mixed kids. She told me that the electric on this one was connected to this apartment. So when she used to leave, she used to go downstairs and hit the breaker. Because her electric bills used to be high as hell.
Dang.
Yeah. But like I say, I'm surprised the dope things ain't had a chance to really get in here. But they was on their way. Yeah, but I think everybody got their own individual basement though.
That's unique.
Yeah.
That's it. That's the basement entry. They both 2 bedrooms and 1 bathrooms.
Mm-hmm. And I'm telling you, it's man, the electric stayed on in here, man, for I need these poker chips. Man, the electric stayed on in here. Man, they believe it or not.
Whoa, yo, this one got like a whole living room on this side. The other one didn't have this.
Yeah.
Unless we missed it.
Yeah. But listen, believe it or not, they just cut the electric off in the upstairs and down here within a couple of weeks. It's been on every actually coming up here. Because like I say, my dog's right there, and I be watching and I can actually see this whole building on the camera.
And they can see anything coming in and out.
Yeah.
I know the front, not that be happening in the front, because y'all right at the exit of the park.
Oh, yeah.
It's too much traffic.
Yeah. And see, like I say, the dope fiends really didn't have a chance to try to get in. They probably just took all of this. Yeah, that's a little something for us there. Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Like the roof is good too.
Yeah, one of these doors, I blocked up. One of them basement doors. I don't know which one it was.
So yeah, this one was different layout.
Yeah.
Man, this door is just wide open.
Yeah.
Poop everywhere, rat feces.
And you know what? I'm gonna get this barbecue grill off this that.
Go
They don't never throw it away. What up? Those are my dogs right there. What up?
That's you. Yeah, that little part right there is that little extra part that the 2 bedrooms in.
Uh-huh. Now see, look, that door that I closed up
Oh yeah.
right here.
Okay, yeah.
Right down here.
So I'm gonna check out. So the 2 units on the far right side. It's a 1 bedroom. 2 bed, 1 bath. And then the other side are 2 bathrooms, 3 bedrooms.